channel. Today I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do surprise uploads, so you're going to want to subscribe. Okay, today we're doing a Amazon wig review for a company called Hairphocas. I have done some collaborations with them, but I purchased this wig myself because I was really pleased with the wigs that we collabed on, so I wanted to get some more. So I did. I'm pretty sure this was like $19.99. I'll put all the information down below. This is the little company, Hairphocas. Again, you get it on Amazon. So you're going to see the clips on how I got her together. This is a very... At first, I was like, yeah, I hate this wig. And now I really love it. When you first put it on, it looks silly. You really have to get the bangs where you want them to be. This is a full cap wig. There is no combs. There are adjustable straps. It's a comfortable wig cap, but I wouldn't say it's overly large, but it's a very comfortable wig cap. One of the things I didn't like, if you've been here, you know there's one thing that I don't like. This does have filler fibers. However, in this wig, I get it because this is really giving me some natural blonde, non-textured hair, Caucasian woman. Can't even say anything on the internet anymore that is just true. But if you have more of a non-textured, sort of even a thinner hair, this is how you would probably, you'd buff it up a little bit and give it some volume. So this does have filler fibers to already give it volume. I do really love the cut. I did put a little bit of dry shampoo in because it was a tiny bit shiny, but now it's really dialed down. The root is probably a number 4 root. It's really sombrered in beautifully. I actually really like this wig. I really, really do. It's comfortable. You can see the filler fibers are right, you can actually feel them, right here at the crown. I did have to train the hairs to go the way that I wanted them once I found where I wanted them. Density is not very thick. This is a very realistic density, especially if you have naturally straight, more thinner hair. This is going to mock your natural hair quite well. I'd say she's probably in the 16-inch range. I'm 6'5". I'm 5'6.5". She's given me about 16 inches. And yeah, let's look at her from the back. I think she's cute. You can see right here in the crown where there's a little bit of filler. I did melt some of the fibers down because that's just me. I don't necessarily adore filler fibers, but I know a lot of people that do, and I totally get it. This would be very cute in a sort of low pony, even like a very, very cute little number here. I didn't get a ton of shedding. She's going to tangle a little bit just because, it's a straight synthetic wig, but I haven't had a problem in terms of like getting it out. She's kind of giving me like wig company vibes, like the wigs that I get from the wig company. So if you like those wigs, you might really like these Hairphocas wigs. I have a couple, and I will include the playlist down below. They really do blondes quite well. I am actually really pleased with that. They do blonde mixes very well, very natural. Yeah, I'm really happy. It did take a minute to get together. I'm not going to say that it didn't, but I'm actually really happy with it at this point. And yeah, I'm really liking it. So let me know down below, have you tried this Hairphocas company on Amazon yet? And if so, what do you think? If there's another Hairphocas wig that you've tried or you've seen or you would like me to get and pick up and try, please put that down below. You'll have to be pretty detailed with the title that they use because Amazon's really weird. It's not like names, it's just a description. So please put that down below to make sure that I can find it. You can also send me the direct link on Instagram if you would like. Tia Maria Everyday on Instagram. And yeah, that's all I have for you. I'm happy. I am. I'm happy with this wig, especially for the price. It's 20 bucks. It'd be a great first wig, a great wig if you have some, hair loss issues or you're going through some type of treatment where you are losing your hair. It'd be very comfortable and easy to put on. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.